The nail finally broke. So we're going on this date with a chipped nail. Are we still going? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. So as you can see by the title already, today's video is a date night makeup tutorial. You're going on a date, just going out to have fun, drinks, dinner, whatever. This I think is something you can wear. So if you're interested in seeing this, please keep watching the video. So today's primer is the Maybelline Fit Me Luminous and Smooth Primer. Ooh, I think I put too much. This is a lot. So far, I feel like this primer feels really good on the skin. That's not the job of a primer. The job of a primer is to actually help your makeup look better and make it last longer. I'm just going to set these brows with some setting powder because the primer, you know, is going to make that place like slippery. Let me make it dry so that drawing my brows will be easier. So for my outer V, I think I'm going to mix this dark shade with one of these dark browns. I'm putting it in the outer corner. I think I want a heavy eye. I mean, not I think, I already started heavy, so it's going to be a heavy eye. Then bringing it into the crease. I need to spread that like over my eye. Playing with either of these two colors, the glittery browns. I think the lighter one. And then now I'm just going to this part, just blend it out because I feel like it's too wide out. So I'm going to leave the eyes here like this for now and then do the rest of my face, and then I'll finish the eyes later. I don't want to spend too much time on eyes because you can just easily get carried away. So today I'm going to be using two foundations. I'm using Huda Beauty's Full Filter and NYX Born to Glow. So whenever I mix foundation, I just like to test a little bit of it on my skin before applying the whole thing because I want to get the shade right. I feel like this shade or this mixture kind of blended well into my skin, so I think I'm going to go with it. I think it's a bit light for me, to be honest. I didn't calculate that well, but we're going to make it work anyway. So I wanted to talk about why I picked these foundations. it's date night, you know. It might be a long night. You don't even know where it's going to end up, you know. And you want your foundation looking peng all through the night. To be honest, my favorite types of foundations are luminous foundations. That my current favorite is the NARS light reflecting. But luminous foundations aren't particularly made as long wear. Long wear foundations are usually matte in nature, and Huda Beauty has like one of the best out there. Minimal contouring, so that seems like a lot. And in an upward motion, guys, upward, because you want, like, nobody's looking for it. You want this, so it's a bit much, but we blend for life. So I'm seeing that blush is kind of much on the sides of my cheek. It's a bit too. Guys, the nail finally broke. It broke. I knew it. I said it. So we're going on this date with a chipped nail. Are we still going? That's the real question. For me, it's grounds for cancelling. But let's just finish our makeup and see how we feel. So because the blush is much, I'm gonna have to use some concealer to tone it down. That's why I added some concealer to my under eye. So I'm going to go back now and finish my eyes. Like I told you guys, I want to do a bit of smokiness under. Go back in with some dark brown. This shade. I don't know if you guys can see, but this thing just, it kills me. For powder, I'm using this setting brush from Real Techniques. Guys, I told you, Real Techniques brush is absolute best. So I'm just going to be placing it in the places where I had concealer. This is Laura Mercier's setting powder, by the way. Today I want a matte finish to my look, so I'm going to use this NYX matte finish spray. Okay guys, so the lips are in. I love this. This looks good. Okay guys, so I finished up and this is the final look. I think it's very date night-ish if you ask me. I hope you guys enjoyed the process of this video. I think my favorite part of everything is the shiny part in the tear duct, guys. It's always going to be a killer, take it from me. That's all from me from this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.